Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rockledge, or near Philadelphia, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Bensalem, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Palmyra, Hatboro, Jenkintown, Beverly, Rockledge, Newtown, Tullytown, Abington, Linghorn, Bremerton, Wisnuming, Feaster, Beltrivos, Willow Grove, Florence, Robley, and Germantown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 343 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 24 and 40. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery and Philadelphia, and Burlington, New Jersey.